Chandrayan. Let us read. There was a girl named Rani who lived in a village. She was very curious and used to ask many questions to her family, teachers, and friends. Why is the sky blue? Where does the sun go at night? One evening, Rani heard her mother singing Chanda Mama Durke. Hearing this, Rani asked her mother, Amma, how far is the moon? Amma said, Rani, the moon is very far in the sky. Rani kept on thinking about the moon and fell asleep. Next morning, Rani woke up hearing the loud voice of her elder brother Pratik. He was pointing to the TV and shouting in excitement, Look, Rani, India is on the moon. Rani looked at the TV. She could see photos of some machines on the moon. She heard a few people talking about the landing on the moon. She was confused and asked Pratik, How did Chandrayan reach the moon? Pratik replied that his friend Vivan's mother, Aunt Nandini, is a scientist. Shall we go and talk to her? Asked Pratik. Rani happily agreed. Both Rani and Pratik decided to visit Vivan's house. Vivan and his mother welcomed them. Rani could see many models and photographs of rockets in their house. Nandini auntie offered sarbat to the children and said, Rani, what do you want to know? Rani replied, People say India is on the moon. Can you please tell us more about this? Auntie said, Yes, of course. Do you know which vehicle is used to go to the moon? Pratik immediately said, I know, Auntie. It is a rocket I had seen on the TV. Rani pointed to the models and photos of rockets in the room. Nandini said, Very good. Yes, a rocket is used to reach the moon. Rani asked, What does Chandrayaan mean? Nandini replied, Chandra means moon and Yan means vehicles. On 14th July 2023, India became the first country to land on the far side of the moon. Rani jumped with excitement and said, Can I go to the moon too? Nandini smiled, Maybe one day. New words, curious, feeling of great enthusiasm and eagerness, excitement, eager to know or learn something, machine, an apparatus used mechanical power, confused, bewildered, scientist, someone who systematically gathers understanding and knowledge, rockets, a propeller, Chandrayaan, lunar spacecraft. A. Answer the following. Question 1. Rani was very curious. How do you know? She used to ask why, what, where, etc. Question 2. What did Pratik say in excitement? He said to look, India was on the moon. Question 3. Who was Nandini auntie? She was a scientist. Question 4. What do the words Chandrayaan mean? Chandra means moon and Yan means vehicle. So it means lunar spacecraft. Question 5. Complete the sentence. Chandrayaan 3 landed on the moon on 14 July 2023. B. Think and say. Imagine you are invited by the scientists to spend 10 days on the moon. Make a list of items that you would like to take with you. Food, water bottles, oxygen cylinders, spacesuit, flashlight, camera, sleeping bag, toothbrush, first aid book, use of A and N. Fill in the blanks using a. A dog is barking at the postman. My mother gives chapati to a cow every day. In summer, a sparrow builds its nest on the mango tree near our house. B. Fill in the blanks using an. I saw an eagle yesterday. 2. Maya bought an umbrella for the monsoon. 3. An ice cream man brings his cart in the evening. C. Fill in the blanks using A or N. 1. A brown hen laid an egg. An eagle sat on a building. Mary ate an apricot, a chiku, and an orange. Fill in the blanks by using SK, SW, SP, ST. So there are swings in the park.